If you're wondering how to deselect in Pixlr, you're in the right place. This is one of those tiny but super useful actions that can save you time while editing, especially if you've made a selection and want to continue working without the active selection getting in the way. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to deselect in Pixlr, along with an easy menu method in case you prefer using the toolbar. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Pixlr tips and editing tutorials. Let's jump right in. The quickest way to deselect in Pixlr is by pressing Ctrl and D on your keyboard at the same time. Once you do that, any active selection on your canvas will disappear immediately. This is the shortcut most people use because it's fast, simple, and works great when you want to move on to the next step without extra clicks. So if you have a selection box, lasso selection, or any other highlighted area active, just use Ctrl+D and you're done. Now, if you don't want to use a keyboard shortcut, Pixlr also gives you an easy menu option. Look at the top menu bar in Pixlr and click on the Select menu tab. From the drop-down list, choose Deselect. As soon as you click it, your current selection will be removed, just like with the keyboard shortcut. This is a great option if you're new to Pixlr or if you simply prefer using the menus instead of shortcuts. So to recap, there are two easy ways to deselect in Pixlr. You can press Ctrl+D for the fastest method, or go to Select and then choose Deselect from the drop-down menu. Both methods do the same thing, so use whichever one feels easiest for your workflow. Once your selection is cleared, you can keep editing, repositioning, or making new changes without accidentally affecting only part of the image. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Pixlr how-to guides, beginner tips, and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.